Welcome to my channel IdeaMo TV. Identifying signs that your dog may be dying can be distressing, but it's important to recognize them for their comfort and your preparedness. Here are certain critical signs. 1. Extreme weakness. Your dog may exhibit severe weakness and find it difficult to stand or walk. 2. Loss of appetite. Significant decrease or complete loss of interest in food and water. 3. Labored breathing. Difficulty breathing, including rapid or shallow breaths. 4. Lack of response. Minimal response to stimuli such as touch, voice, or familiar surroundings. 5. Deterioration of vital signs, such as a weak or erratic pulse, very low body temperature, or difficulty maintaining body temperature. 6. Severe disorientation. Difficulty recognizing familiar people or surroundings, or displaying confusion and disorientation. 7. Pale gums. Gums appearing pale or white instead of a healthy pink color. 8. Extreme lethargy. Unusual levels of tiredness and lethargy with minimal movement or interaction. 9. Significant changes in behavior. Sudden and drastic changes in behavior, such as aggression, withdrawal, or uncharacteristic irritability. 10. Decreased temperature regulation. Difficulty regulating body temperature, leading to either excessive shivering or signs of overheating. 11. Loss of consciousness. Brief periods of unconsciousness or coma-like states where your dog is unresponsive and unable to be awakened. 12. Seizures or tremors. Uncontrolled shaking, tremors, or seizures that may indicate neurological issues. 13. Visible tumors or lesions. Presence of visible tumors, lesions, or other abnormal growths that have rapidly progressed. If you observe these signs, it's crucial to seek immediate veterinary care to assess your dog's condition and provide appropriate treatment or palliative care.